Hello. So we are here in sunny Poland, about to
Hello.
about to fix up the van, or at least attempt to fix up the van. I'm gonna show you a little bit of step by step what the situation is and what we are about to do with those problems. Basically, we've been fearlessly just taking everything apart, and yeah, everything's now out in the open. What's wrong with it? Everything is rotten. So, and we're gonna replace this whole roof, which is aluminium, but it's in really bad shape, so it needs to be replaced completely. As you can see, this is bad. This is really bad, and the wood inside even worse. So yeah, not a small job, but not an impossible job either. So definitely worth doing, and knowing that your family is safe and not having any mold or fungus or stuff like that growing inside of their home. And plus, this is easier to do from outside, because from inside it's gonna take ages to do the same. Plus, they need to be redone anyway.
Cool.
Cool.